Hey guys, it's your girl Cynthia back again with another makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you how to create these eyebrows. So I have very thin eyebrows and this is the technique I use to create very bold brows. So if you have thin brows, this is a tutorial for you. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Go ahead and grab a spoolie. We want to start combing the brow. So the inner, I'm going to go upward. And then to start getting to the tail, kind of sideways. And then the actual tail just going down. The brow pencil I'm going to use is the Precisely by Benefit. I do recommend this one because it's super precise. And it'll make defining the brow a lot easier. So we're going to go ahead and start by lining the bottom. But I'm actually going to start around maybe 3/4 of the brow, so around here. I'm going to start lining it, it's pretty much tracing the natural brow. So don't start right away where the brow starts, start around 3/4 of the brow. Okay, now we're just going to underline the brow on the bottom. Okay. Now same thing on the top. We're just going to line it. Don't worry about filling in the brow, we're just focusing on shaping the brow right now. Now we can go in and fill in the brow very lightly. Grab a spoolie on the actual pencil. We're not going to add any product. And blend. And with whatever product it grabbed, you're actually going to go in the front. Do you see how it's adding color? What we want is a gradient effect. That's how naturally brows grow. Very feather-like, light, and then darker. Grab a pencil almost to the tip very lightly and do a very light stroke connecting until like that. And again on the top very lightly. Okay. Now grab the spoolie and blend the lines out. So there's that. Now you can go ahead and make the brow a little bit thicker. So that means lining the brow a little bit underneath where the actual brow line is. I like to do that to make them look a little bit thicker, but it's up to you. It's preference-wise how thick or how thin you want your brows. So now I'm going to grab this same brush that had spoolie in the beginning. It has an angled brush. This is by Benefit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab their highbrow. This is pretty much an underbrow highlighter, but I like to use it as a concealer. So why not conceal and highlight at the same time? So I'm just going to grab it. And I actually use the brush to dip it in there. And then I go ahead and underline the brow to sharpen it. And now I'm going to go on the top. Sharpening the tail. So when you outlined your eyebrow with the high brow, we're just gonna go in the brush and pretty much blend it out. We don't really want any harsh lines, but we want to see that the brow was cleaned. I'm just going to grab a brush and I'm going to blend out the highbrow, or if you used a concealer, you can also blend that out. So we're gonna stop here for the brow. We still have one more step to go, but I'd like to do the other brow before I do the last step. So let's go ahead and do this brow right here. So after you're done blending whatever's left, you just wanna go like pat. To give it a little bit more of a gradient effect. Now the last step is to set them in place. You can use a brow gel, a comb with hairspray, but I like to use the Bravo conditioning primer. I know it's supposed to go on before, but I like to put it on after. It really makes the brows stay in place. And what I like about it also, it makes them look like if they were kind of wet. The brows, so let me show you. Just do a little turn. The main point I apply the product is in the inner brow. And when I do, I flick the hairs out. So right away you see the difference from one brow to the other. And I just go down to the toe. So once this dries out, it's actually going to feel like you actually put hairspray on your brows, but this is going to make your brows stay in place and will last you all night. So let's do the other brow. Once again, not a lot of product. Maybe half a turn, and then concentrate it here, going upwards. Alright you guys, so we are done with the brows. The big difference of having no brows to having brows is big, you guys. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So I already applied my mascara, my lashes, pretty much my full face. The lashes I used were these from Kiss. These are the ones in Teddy. I really like these, they're really nice, so you should try these out. Yeah. So here's the final look.